Good morning, children. How are you? I hope you are fine and you are safe and you are taking all the precautions and you are eating very healthy food at your home. Okay, on that video we have completed till here the explanation part, and from here the textual reading I have completed till here. Okay, for the 5th class children. Okay, it's there in the page number 31. Okay, children, we are going to learn about how the Nelson Mandela has spent his days in the childhood days. Okay, and here this is the snap for the autobiography of the Nelson Mandela. Let us see what are the other things he has done in his childhood. Okay, one of my mother's 3 huts. One was used for cooking, one was sleeping, and one for storage. So how many huts are there? 3 huts are there for his mother, and one is used for cooking, one is used for sleeping, and one is for storage. Do you know what you mean by storage, children? Where all the things are used to store, whether it's an edible things or it's a non-edible things. Okay, edible means which we are eating. Okay, in the hut in which we slept, there was no furniture in the proper sense. So can you imagine that in the hut there will be a right furniture? No, children, no, it cannot possible. Okay, so these are the huts in which the Nelson Mandela used to live, in which no furniture, no proper furniture was there. Okay, so we slept on mats and sat on the ground. So the Nelson Mandela, his sisters, his brothers, cousins, all are their brothers and sisters. Yes, they used to sat on mats, okay, and sat on the ground and used to sleep on the mats. Okay, and now he is explained about the cooking. See, my mother, I did not discover pillows until much later. So even he doesn't know about the pillows also. Okay, so very after a long years, he used to know about the pillows. Okay, my mother cooked food in the 3-legged iron pot over an open fire in the center of the hearth or outside. Okay, so either in the center of, you can see in this picture, children, here it is the hut. So here in the inside also she was preparing the food, and the outside. And which type of utensil she is using, children? She is using the 3-legged pot, and that one is iron, and the open fire. It is like this logs of wood and sticks of wood, it is going. Okay, so the fire has come. This is the open fire they used to prepare the food. Okay, children, now next one. Everything we ate, we grew and made ourselves. Whatever they are using for them, they ate, they grew, and they are made for themselves only. So it's like whatever they are using, it is prepared by them. It is not prepared by the others. Okay, and they grew slowly. Okay, children, so from an early age, it is from the early age, I spent most of the time, free time in the world. Okay, playing and fighting with other boys of village. So where they were living one of the village of South Africa, that is called as Kunu. Okay, Kunu. Okay, next, what do you mean by world? Well, children, open grassland in South Africa. Actually, South Africa have a lot of what do you call a grassland. So he used to play with the other boys. He used to fight with the other boys, those who are living in the village. Even in our childhood days also we used to fight, and now you also fight with other boys and girls, right? In the class itself you are fighting, right? And he used to fight with the other boys of the village. That is his childhood days. Okay, children. At night, I shared my food and blanket with these same boys. See, in the morning he used to play and he used to fight with the same boys, and in the night he used to sleep with the same boys of the village, because all the brothers and sisters are staying at one place, because no big palace or no big home was there, right? They are living in the small huts. Okay, and they are living in the villages. In this, they are close to the nature and they are always connected to the nature. Whatever they are growing, they used to eat on them, and they grow they grow as in the nature, in between the nature, right? There are so many grasslands. They never use the pillows. They were using only mats to sleep, and they used to sat on the ground itself, right? So these are the so many things he has done, right, in his childhood. This I is used for the Nelson Mandela itself, because this is the snips of autobiography. Okay, children, what do you mean by autobiography? Is the author or book written by themselves. That is called as autobiography. Okay. I was no more than 5 when I started looking after my sheep and calves in the fields. See, Nelson Mandela, how he has struggled, how he has enjoyed all the childhood days also. See, we are not finding in our cities, right? So, when he was not even 5 means at the age of 5, you can imagine, children, how small he was, and he used to started looking after sheep and calves. Sheep, you know na beta? Yes, who gives us wool, and calves means the young ones of the cows. They are called as calves. Okay. In the fields, he used to go with the stick, and he used to go with the cows. Okay. I learnt to gather wild honey, fruits. Okay, turn to the next page, children. Learn to stick fight. I learned to. Oh, sorry. Here it's there. No, sorry. Sorry, beta. Here I was no more than 5 when I started looking up after sheep and calves in the fields. I learned to gather wild honey, fruits, and edible roots. I could swim in the clear, cold streams and catch fish with strong thread and sharpen bits of wire. Okay. What he is saying here, like whenever he was not even 5, he used to go with the sheep, he used to look after the cows, and he used to collect the wild honey, fruits also. Okay. Sorry, children. And learn to stick fight. What do you mean by stick fight? Fighting with the sticks here, a children's game. So even few of you also used with the stick fight, pencil fight, pen fight, and they used to do stick fight in his childhood days with the other children. Okay, and how they are edible roots. What do you mean by edible roots? Like radish, carrot, beetroot. They used to go into the fields and they are pull it out, and they used to eat them. Okay, after washing, and they used to eat them. See how they have done all in the childhood days, right? And in the age of 5 or 6, could you able to swim, children? But he has learned how to swim in the stream of the rivers. Wherever the river were fine, all the boys used to go, and they spend time with each other. They learned how to swim also. Okay, and they catch the fish with the strong and sharpened bits of wire. So you can find so many wires, and they used to hooked. They used to like mold that wire at the end of the wire, and they used to catch fishes from the river, and that cold streams. What do you mean by cold streams, children? The river was very cool water. That is the reason it is called as cool streams. Yes. And the sharpened bits of wire. What is the spelling for sharpened bit? See, you can learn from here. Okay, and he used to take the wire, and it is just moved at the corner, and used to catch the fish. Okay, children. These are all the new words. Stick fight, clean line of the horizon. We will see this all. Okay, just be complete here. I learned to love the world, the open play spaces, the simple beauties of nature, the clean line of horizon. Horizon is nothing but beta. See, you can see here. Clean line of horizon, the line where the land and the sky seem to be made. Yes, when you find very far here, you can find that sky and the land is going to meet somewhere. Yes, but it won't meet, right? That horizon is called as what you call as clear line of the origin. Okay, children, yes. So this much we have completed here, children. So what he learned to love the veld. Veld we have discussed now. Grass, open grasslands, the open spaces mean they are connected to the nature. They are in between the nature. Okay, a simple beauties of nature. Yes, I said that now. So many grasslands are there, river is there, the sunlight is there. They used to enjoy. He used to love that simplicity of the nature. Okay, and he used to enjoy that clear line of the origin also. Okay, children, so we have completed till here. Next time we will start from here. If we have not completed anything else, we will start there from here. Okay, okay, children, just you learn here all the words and all. This one, okay, this one is from here, and just we will go through this also. Okay, here you can see the apartheid means system of separating people according to race and color. Yes, we should never do that. Okay, you are different, I am different, you go there, I'll be here. No, we should not do this. Presided over means here managed. Here managed, because they don't have anything of their own, so they are used to manage in the kunu. Okay, children, I hope you have listened this all the textual information and you can learn from this. Okay, children, take care, children. Bye bye. Okay.